Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. It is another week in my life. It's another weekly Liv video. Yes, I know I have mascara here. I've had it there all day. It's great, nobody told me. I just saw it before. But in this weekly vlog, I'm quite excited because I just decided to continue. If you guys saw my fitness journey, if you haven't, go check it down below. I am doing a fitness guide and I haven't continued. I'm in the same portion of the guide I have been for months. It's broken up into 3 parts. I've been on the second part for months and I decided over the weekend that I want to extend myself. Now this week is my first week of doing the final round of exercises, so they are a lot harder and I thought I would walk you guys through that this week. So I'll do like daily updates on my workouts and stuff like that. And yeah, that's the main thing that's happening this week. It is Monday evening and Korpu and our flatmate are both doing late nights at work this week. For like the next 2 nights, they're doing late nights. So tonight I'm home alone by myself until like extremely late, like not quite the wee hours of the morning, but until like at least 11. And tomorrow night I'm going home for dinner and then I'll be back and all on my lonesome again. So yeah, it's a pretty... but like it's quite an extraordinary week this week. Okay, so it is nearly 6 and I thought I would prepare my dinner. Feels really weird because I'm making like 1 portion of dinner, obviously, because I'm by myself. So I am making couscous. Where the hell did I put it? Over here. 50 grams of couscous. And then I've got some chicken. And my tip to you guys is if you ever buy chicken and you don't need all of it, or like, for example, if you just need a certain amount for a certain recipe but chicken was cheap that week, I 100% recommend like portioning it into little baggies. Like this one was from last month and it's 143 grams of chicken, and all I did was I just chucked spices in and I just squeezed it around in the bag. And now this is just like the perfect portion for 1 person. So I'm gonna have this mixed in with my couscous. The couscous is gonna be cooking in some chicken stock, which is just waiting for that to boil a little bit. I'm using barely any water because I want it to be really flavoursome. So yeah, I'm gonna cook this. I might chuck a little bit of Parmesan cheese in, and I'll have greens powder. I'll make that now actually. I haven't had greens powder in a while. I've been really bad at having it. It says to do how much? 2 heaped teaspoons, so I'm gonna do 1 semi-heaped tablespoon, maybe a little bit less, that seemed like a lot. Mix it all up. You can see the green puff going everywhere. Oh, it's so green. It looks like sludge. Tastes like sludge. Looks like sludge. Must be sludge. But health, right? Cheers. I actually don't know if I can do it. I gotta mentally like prepare myself. Okay. Morena. It is actually multi-language week this week, so I should probably try to say morena every morning to you guys. But I am obviously on my way to work. I washed my hair this morning. I'm feeling like a new woman. Not really. I hate washing my hair because I hate having to deal with wet hair. And you know, a normal person will blow dry their hair. But I hate blow drying my hair. I don't put like any heat on my hair if I can help it. So I just got back from my mum's and I completely forgot to vlog dinner, but we had macaroni cheese, which was delicious. And I just kind of am like super hungry because I haven't eaten that much today because I didn't have time to come home and have like a snack after work. So I've just got a serving of some protein pancakes. Let me show. I nearly clipped my ankle on the dishwasher. Let me show you these protein pancakes here by Flapjacked. So this is my dessert, 4 protein pancakes with, look at the smoke, like not the smoke, the steam, with 1 serving of chocolate halo top. I am freaking excited about this. Hey guys, we're back in my new spot. This has been my little nest for the past couple of days. Korpu and Hazel are gonna be a little bit late home from work today. Not too late, they should be home in like an hour, but my gosh, I just wanted to come on here because I know this video won't be up for like a week from now. So hopefully this issue will fix itself, but I just want your guys' advice because honestly, I am so tired today and yesterday and the day before. All this week, I've been so tired. I'm not sleeping quite 7 hours, but I haven't been for a while now. And I'm still sleeping like well over 6, like 6:45 or like 6.5 hours or something like that. So it's not like terribly low sleep, and on the weekends I get like at least 8 hours. I've eaten way over my calorie goal today, well I will have by the end of the day, by like 200 calories or something, because I came home and I had a cheese and Vegemite roll and oh my god, it was so good. I just am starving and I'm so tired. Like, I was just watching YouTube and I nearly fell asleep. Like, I nearly full on had a nap. It's like 5. It's not unusual for me to take naps, but it's unusual for me to take a nap on a Wednesday and a Tuesday, because I had a nap yesterday by mistake, and Monday I nearly had a nap. So it's just weird for the start of the week for me to have naps. Normally I'll have a nap on a Friday. That's not unusual for me. Alright guys, I am making my chia seed pudding. I do it super quick, so I thought I would show you guys as I make it. So you're going to need some milk. Now I know I've been talking about how I've been drinking almond milk, but I haven't tried this with almond milk yet and I don't really have that much left, so I'm just going to use light cow's milk, and I just use 1 metric cup of this. And I just take it to school in these little what are they called, Tupperwares. I feel like this lighting is so unattractive. I have like no eyebrows, so I know I look like the devil, I'm sorry. For the flavouring I use 1 and a bit tablespoons of nat beer, which is just stevia. It's just the brand that I have. Oh, spooky, the light's going up. Yep, just a couple of that, and I just dump that straight into the container. And then I have just raw cacao powder. This is the one that I have. I don't think this is what's actually in here. I think I have the Ceres organic brand, but I just reuse the container. And I just do 2 teaspoons. I just dropped it. And then for this recipe, the ratio is 3 tablespoons of chia seeds to 1 cup of milk, which seems like a lot of chia, but it's what I'm doing at the moment. Although I've nearly used a whole jar in like 4 days, so maybe I should find a different ratio. I kind of think I might switch to overnight oats next week, as opposed to see, I've got cacao everywhere. Every time I go into the fridge, or you know, like maybe 2 times in the next 12 hours, I'll just grab it and I'll just go like this and just shake it and pop it back, and it just kind of helps to get any of the chia seeds that gelatinize on the bottom to like mix around, and it just makes it all really nice. And hopefully I'll remember to show you guys in the morning, because it tastes really good and it's a texture that some people might not like, but I personally like it. So this has been my first snack this week. Happy Thursday guys. I just got changed, excuse my dishwasher, and I'm just getting my lunch ready, and I thought I'd show you the texture of my chia pudding. I'm gonna have to give you a little bit of a tilt. Oh shivers, my tripod nearly went. But that right there is kind of the texture of it. I'm not gonna scoop into it because I don't wanna, you know, dirty a spoon. But basically it's kind of very gelatinous and slimy, and you either love it or you hate it. Next week I think I'm gonna switch to overnight oats though, because this is like quite an expensive process, because chia seeds are not that cheap. So I think I'm gonna switch to overnight oats, and I think they'll be more filling. So I'm having this today for brain food, so I had this at like 10. And for my morning tea, I made myself a Vegemite and cheese ciabatta, because I just was way too hungry yesterday, like starving, so that was scary. And then at about 1 o'clock for lunch, I'm having the frittata, so I'm quite excited about this. I'm gonna be so full of food today. Tonight we're having chicken breast halloumi burgers, cheese and halloumi, wait, yeah, chicken breast and halloumi burgers, and I'm really excited. They're like crispy and they're so delicious. So yeah, that's pretty much what's up with my food today. It's really funny you guys, because this is like the latest that I've ever been for an event. Like I always am there like 10 minutes early, and I'll wait in the car or like look for a park or whatever, but the event starts in like 20 minutes and I'm going to get there in like 15 minutes, not including parking time. So I don't really mind, but I am so tired, so I'm probably not going to be at the event for that long. But it's always nice to go and network. To be honest with you guys, I was almost going to cancel because I'm so tired from work this week, but Corpu was like, get your ass out there and do some networking, and I was like, okay sir. I have to try and show you my outfit. I'm wearing like a dress that never fit me when I bought it. I bought it thrifting, it's from Boohoo, and my leather jacket that I always wear, but yeah, this dress never fit me properly, and now it's like very spacious, so that's nice. Every time I go somewhere that I haven't been before, like I've been to K Road, but I've never parked up myself, I legit, my heart rate spikes. It was like 100 when I was trying to find a car park. Like I just get so nervous, and I also like don't know what lane to be in. I don't know if I'm the only one that's like that. Let me know if you're the same, because it might make me feel better. But I'm gonna head into the event. I will vlog what I can vlog, so yeah. So I'm back in my car after the event. I've got my lovely little goodie bag, so thank you so much to Fudge if you guys are watching. I actually need to get a move on because I paid for parking already, but I wasn't in the event for very long. I didn't actually know anyone at this event. I mean, I knew Simone Anderson and Megan from What Meg Said, I think is her new handle. They were leaving, so I was kind of like, and I literally didn't know anybody else there. I was at a table with Colin Mathura Jeffries. If you guys are from New Zealand, you'll know who he is. Or you might know who he is. But yeah, I don't know, like, I kind of struggle at events when I don't know anybody, because I don't know, if you guys are in any sort of industry where you see a lot of the same people, usually there's the same sort of set of vloggers at events, but there were different people at this event and I didn't really know anyone. So it was a little bit nerve-wracking, if I'm being honest, and then they kind of left, so I just headed off as well. It was a really nice event. I didn't actually vlog, and I really regret not vlogging in there, but it was a super like intimate event, if that makes sense. Like the venue was really pretty, but there was like, it was really loud with talking and stuff, and there was like people talking everywhere, and I didn't want to like awkwardly vlog, so I apologize because I didn't actually, I don't think I vlogged, so sorry about that. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of my league trying to get home from here. I have no freaking clue where I am. No clue. This thing is like telling me to get on the motorway, but I'm not by an on-ramp. It's like the motorway is like right there, I can see it, but there's no on-ramp there. I found the motorway. Actually, Google did it. I would never have gone the way that it took me, honestly. I would have turned back towards the city, and then I would have found my way home anyway, but I don't like driving in the city. I'm from West Auckland, and that's the only place I want to drive. Good morning, guys. It's Friday, and I just am off to work. I'm wearing a sports bra today, by the way, if you're wondering what the heck that is. On Fridays, we do something called Jump Jam, which if you're from New Zealand, you will 100% know what Jump Jam is. Well, if you went to school in the 90s, primary school, intermediate school in the 90s, or later, and you're from New Zealand, you'll know what Jump Jam is, which is basically aerobics, kind of think Zumba, but better, so much better. We do Jump Jam on Fridays, and I'm the instructor for Jump Jam, so I need to have like high support, otherwise my tits like fly everywhere. I've already started, but Corpu and I got Nando's for dinner tonight, and we're playing some WoW. It's a very raging Friday night. Good morning. I think it's still morning. Oh no, it's afternoon. God, it's nearly 2 o'clock. Where has the day gone? It is Sunday. I didn't end up vlogging yesterday. We went shopping and I got a couple of things, which I think I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna do like a clothing haul. I did want to show you guys my pre-workout because I can't really show you guys it in the mornings because I have it at like 6 o'clock, and I'm not having any now, but I wanted to show you the packet before I forget. I did just reorder it and it just arrived. I think it was on Thursday, I think it arrived. Super fast shipping from Australia. So this is it here. This is called Spark. It's from Protein Supplies Australia. It's an all natural pre-workout and I really, really like it. It's strawberry passion fruit flavor and got hair in my mouth. I do just want to let you know that it is not super sweet. So if you want a super sweet pre-workout, this is not it, because as you guys can see, feel free to pause. This has like no nasties, no artificial flavors. It's all natural. I really, really like this. I take this every morning. It's a pre-workout and just as like it starts my day off really well. So yeah, I highly recommend this. I have already been through a whole bag of it, by the way. I haven't just used it 2 times. I have used a whole bag, so I really like it. So our flatmate made us dinner tonight. We've got pesto chicken, ooh, crusted with panko, really nice herby potatoes and sour cream. Yum. And then I'm gonna play some WoW. It's my new character. She is Bae. So I'm just getting ready to finish off the vlog, and like last week I thought it would be fun to end the vlog with some stuff that I bought this week, and it is some stuff from Cotton On. I'm just trying to clear some space on my bed so that I can show you. We went to Cotton On yesterday and I got 3 jumpers and a drink bottle, so I thought I would show you guys. I know the jumpers look literally ginormous, but these were the 3 that I got. They were each, hopefully you guys can see that. You can't, but they were each $10, and I got a pink, a black, and then this cute green colour with stripes on the sleeves. They are exactly the same as my yellow one, exactly the same, so I'm really excited. And I also got this cute drink bottle, which was $15, but it looks really cute and it's a litre, so I'm gonna go use this now. Been waiting to vlog it, so now I can use it. Huzzah! And that, my friends, brings us to the end of another weekly vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I actually remembered to end this vlog on a Sunday for like the first time ever. So I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my afternoon, evening. It's nighttime, my evening. If you guys haven't seen my other video, which I actually uploaded today in my present moment, which is an empties video, I'll leave it linked off down below. But otherwise, I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!